episode, we get to play a little bit. Yay!
Good job. Life jacket's on. Come on back in the cockpit before you do the launch.
Good morning. It's first light and we are moving onward. Great undocking. We did it!
Good morning, everybody. We're coming through the Elliot Cut, which has got a swift current. That's why we came at slack tide. It's 6:15 in the morning, and we're moving forward, moving upward and onward, and had a good night's sleep last night, and looks like a beautiful day, but we're going to hit with thunderstorms in the early afternoon, so we have to make some decisions about how we want to deal with that. So thanks for coming along, and here we go, through the gate.
Got a great start this morning. Undocked real easy, slack tide, going through Elliot Cut. It's a good day.
beautiful Isle of Palms.
Yeah, of course, Buford. I love Buford.
We had a great.
My favorite spot.
You know, I thought it was going to be a week to pass through and way to Florida. We were there for 4 months. So, it's like, put as far as I got on this. It's gorgeous.
I can't wait someday I can do that. I may never get to do that.
You will. You will.
I'd love to.
Ladies Island Marina, we were there. Great. It's a great community there, people.
Man, I'm taking one of these boats to that marina. That sounds good. All right, you guys.
Okay, thanks for your help.
Anything else for me?
No, Justin.
I'm leaving this gate open for you, so you can go in, because I got to make sure I have the right gate code. But we'll give you gate code, internet, and all that when you check.
Great. Thanks so much. We were down there a second. Thanks, Justin. Appreciate your help.
You're welcome.
So, would you rather anchor out in a thunderstorm, or would you rather go to the beach for a little bit before the storm and then be here at the Isle of Palms Marina?
That's a hard decision. Go to the beach. Oh, nice.
Hey everybody, how you doing? I'm at my favorite Isle of Palms beach. We were going to anchor out, but Amy insisted on going to the beach. After our last anchoring out episode, we didn't want to go through that again. So we are headed to the Chesapeake to spend some time getting the boat outfitted and fixed and equipped. And we have a friend whose name we will not mention in case he changes his mind, who said that we can bring his boat up to his pier and he's going to help us do the things we need to do on the boat. So that's very exciting. It's going to take us a while to get up there. We are in the Isle of Palms. Yesterday morning we were in Buford. So we've traveled about 75 miles in a day, which in a boat, that's like good actually. In a car, not so good, right?
Well, we avoided the thunderstorms for today.
In this episode, we get to play a little bit. Yay!
Let's go back to the marina and just hang out, relax before
the storms come that are coming tonight.
Yeah. This is nice here, isn't it?
Really nice. It was such a beautiful day, getting to relax and enjoy. And what a contrast to the next day when we were out on the waterway and I was convinced that we were sinking.
Well, you had good reason to be convinced. The boat was filling with salt water, so that means it was coming in from the outside. Well, stay tuned, folks, and we'll have that episode up for you soon. In the meantime, this is just us hanging out, making small talk, and just enjoying the rest of the evening. Thanks for hanging out with us.
Breakfast, yay.
Breakfast, what are we having for breakfast? It looks like you got a muffin. I guess we get scrambled eggs later.
Yep.
A couple of crunchy things to eat with our coffee. Vanilla wafers. Well, here's to an awesome day.
Here's to planning ahead and looking at being new sailors who do not want to be traumatized by being in thunderstorms and lightning when we don't have to be.
Yeah.
So that's for a future date.
Or hopefully never.
Hopefully never. Hey, look at that.
I've never seen so many dog lovers than South Carolina.
That's true.
Seems like everybody has a dog and stuff. It's really cool.
Yeah.
Speaking of pets, I have to dedicate this episode to our dear beloved Coco, our pet for 19 years, Coco the cat. I got him when he was a little kitten, and he had a long life, and our 3 children probably don't remember a time when there wasn't. Coco was part of our family, and Coco passed away last week.
hard.
That was hard, you know. It's really, we all
He was our
cried.
family mascot for 19 years.
Yeah, you
That's
know.
that's old for a cat. Cats don't normally make it that long, but he was a good old-fashioned little, you know, mutt of a Honeybrook farm cat, and you know, he brought a lot of fun. He was a cranky old cat, but at the end he got so docile and sweet, and he was a good companion for our kids for 19 years.